Hi, I'm Karen Chapman. Have you noticed that some plants look good in your container no matter which way you face them? They don't angle to a particular direction. However, that's not always the case. Take a moment to look at the plants. Here's one of the grasses. This is a Japanese forest grass with a beautiful waterfall-like drape, but if I turn it around, there's not much happening at this side. So be sure when you add it to your container, you don't plant it that way, but you take a moment to turn it or face it so that it drapes over the edge. Some flowering plants like this Begonia have a similar attitude. There's lots of action going on around this way, but if I turn it that way, there's not so much. So again, turn that so that the drape is over the edge of the pot. For young plants, it can be a little tricky to see, but it's rather nice with these beautiful begonias with the large heart-shaped leaves. The point points down. And so again, you can see the shape of the plant. We just set it in so we can see all that beautiful foliage. If you'd like more tips like this, join me on container gardening to suit your style.